20.
We got Union Pacific. That's why it's on B520, baby. Look at that. B520. Guys, my Union Pacific hat. Alright guys, that was CSX B520. I think it comes from Salem, Illinois, but it goes to Newcastle, Pennsylvania when it runs that need it. But I'll look it up when I get home just to make sure, because I don't want to lie about it. I'll look it up on the CSX Train Symbols website when I get home, because I don't want I don't want to lie about it, about the destination for CSX B520. Anyway guys, look at I love my Union Pacific hat. This is what it looks like. I got it from Amazon like in March of 2018. It's a good hat. I wonder if Union Pacific's the oldest railroad. Was the oldest railroad that's been working for a long time. Anyway, that was CSX B520. I'll look up the CSX train. I'll look up where the CSX B520 comes from and goes to when it runs as needed. Okay guys, bye, and that's all for now.